There's something very comforting about going someplace that you've been before. You know the hotel is wonderful, you know the food is going to be excellent, and you know there are many, many different hiking trails. And that's what I'm anticipating today, because we are heading back to Saalbach, Hinterglemm, not far from Salzburg. If you go on some of my other videos, you can take a look and see what it looks like. We're on our way to Frankfurt today on a United 777-200. And no, I am not nervous at all about flying the 777. We've done it many times before. It's a very, very safe aircraft. And unfortunately, it's economy class, but on the good part, we are going to Austria. And then from Frankfurt, we are heading on a 1-hour flight to Salzburg. Once in Salzburg, an hour car ride to Saalbach. I know it's going to be a wonderful trip, and I hope you enjoy the videos as much as I'm going to enjoy doing them. And don't forget to look for me swirling on a hilltop, a la Julie Andrews, doing my own off-key rendition of The Hills Are Alive. This is a pleasure. We came in A, and we're going to be going out at A. Now let's just hope the lounge is open right now. This is the brand new Senator Lounge here. This lounge was opened in October, I just found out, and our last few trips we have been going through Munich. If you are gold with United, you are allowed to use the Senator Lounges, which are much nicer than the business class lounges. Oh, there's nothing like arriving somewhere at 6:01 in the morning. Let's see what they have here for breakfast. For me, 6:01 in the morning is just a little bit too early for our hard liquor. I was wondering where the muesli and the yogurt was, and I just discovered it. They have a whole separate area designated just for yogurt, smoothies, Bircher muesli, cherry, natural, whatever you want. Sheila? As soon as the doors open, like magic, open sesame. And so they do. Good morning. No, thank you. Did you just make sandwiches?
Oh yes, for later for the lunch.
For lunch?
Yes, we prepare because later we have no more time.
Do you love what they did here? They've got these comfortable chairs with this fake forest background that looks so real.